Yo, what's going on, guys? I don't know if you guys can see me very well. The lighting's kind of dark in here. But anyways, today we have a pretty exciting day. We're heading down to Lacey, Washington with the Integra. We're right there. And we're actually doing some cool custom fab work done to it by the guys over at Rampage Fab. I've been talking to these guys for a little bit, and they were down to make it happen what I want done to this. So I'm not going to disclose what I'm doing because it's going to be really sick. But yeah, so they're going to be doing some work to this car. It's going to change it up a lot. And yeah, I guess stay tuned for what I'm getting done to it. But now we're just going to go get some coffee in the good old Mazda right there. And then start our trek down to Lacey, which is an hour and a half away with traffic in Seattle, of course. But yeah, I mean, this is going to be an awesome video. Maybe I'll film inside Rampage. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to bust out the GoPro. But then I'm going to talk to them and see if how to get my foot in the door and learn how to weld myself and fabricate stuff, because I'm really interested in that. I'm kind of thinking I possibly want to do that for a career choice. With all the options you can do, making your own stuff, welding stuff for other people, it just seems really fun and enjoying to me. So we're going to talk to them a bit, figure out what I should do, what path I should take, and everything else. But enough of that. Time to go get some coffee. Ooh, boy, look at these kicks, boy. NMDs, boy, right here. Alrighty, guys, we got our coffee. Everything's situated. Now we're heading out. It is actually 10:01. That's an hour behind. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yep, so we are now on our way. Laura's behind me, ready to follow. I'm bringing them some flanges for aluminum so they can just have them because I can't weld anyways, so why not? But yeah, so now we're on our journey to Lacey. Alrighty, guys, just arrived at Rampage. Right in front of me right now. Laura missed her turn, so she is coming right back over here. But I'm not too sure if I'm going to film, like I said before. I'll pull up the camera and you guys will see if I am filming or not. But we're here, so time to drop off the good old Integra. Alright, I just dropped off the Integra at Rampage. Awesome guys there, really cool. Gave me some advice on how to get into welding and fabricating in the automotive world. So I'll definitely be taking that and putting it towards learning and working. But here's some sweet stickers. I'm gonna throw some on the GTR and then throw some on the Integra once I get it back. Oh shoot. He's gonna try to, he said he might get it done this weekend, or he's just gonna get it done next week because they recently just got a big batch of projects got to do. Not a big deal. Doesn't matter. Doesn't. Whoa. Damn, I'm just talking way too fast. Doesn't matter to me. I have another car to drive, so yeah. What's up, guys? So I didn't film anything these past couple of days when I dropped off the Integra over at Rampage Fab. So I dropped the car off Friday, probably around, what do you say, 3 o'clock in the afternoon? Something like that. And they already got it done, and today it is Sunday, Easter Sunday. So super fast turnaround time, obviously. And I'm excited to pick it up. But of course, it wouldn't be washed in without a torrential downpour outside. So I'm sure it'll be fine as long as I just don't park it and then let water just fall in. But yeah, so that's a little update for you guys. I'll get the camera when we get a little bit closer because we probably got an hour still. Yeah. An hour still to get there. Alright guys, it's probably really hard to hear me right now. But so we're cruising back. We're just getting to Seattle. And right up there, got the little hood exit. So I love it. It sounds awesome. You can hear the turbo miles away now. And so far I haven't shot any flames yet, but it does shoot out a lot of exhaust, of course. That's kind of dumb to say, but yeah. I'll show you guys back when I get at the house, more in depth on what they did. They also did an intercooler on this thing, and it looks. Alrighty guys, so back here at the house now. Got the Integra pulled in the garage, and I got the hood popped a little bit so this sits a little bit lower, so these hang out more. But here she is, man. This thing looks sick. I love it. So let's just pop the hood. I'll show you the full look. Let me just put this up. Alright. So here you go. So here is the wastegate. What I actually gotta do is get a real wastegate clamp, because you can actually move this. It does move a bit. So that's actually for a tile blow-off valve clamp, but it works right now. I mean, it's as tight as it can go. But yeah, so right down there, I mean, I wish I had a little bit more light. Right there, here's the exhaust one, of course. Oh, it's not even hot anymore. But, oops. Right here, exhaust, and then wastegate, and then I had him do the teardrop look, which looks awesome, I think. What I should do is actually route this a little bit smoother, the radiator, so it's more flush, so I can fit more stuff in there. I think I might do that eventually here pretty soon. But yeah, everything's tucked away from the dump tube in the exhaust, so that's perfect. And these welds are perfect. They're sick. Oh, you guys probably can't really see right now. It's too dark for some. Anyways, I'll just explain it. So right down here, he did a vibrant front mount intercooler. So he welded up the intakes, welded it all up, made it connect with my pre-existing intercooler piping. So that's badass. I didn't have to get any new intercooler piping, and actually it looks a lot better than how it was before mounted on there. So I'm pretty stoked on all that. I love the look of those. And it fits perfect with the hood. Kind of looks like a heart. But yeah, guys, that's it for my cool little mod that I wanted to do to the Integra. And who knows what's going to happen to the GTR in the future. I don't know if I should tell you guys. Nah, I'll wait. Something's happened to the GTR, guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe, because we're just getting started on this car. We're just getting started. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a great